Mrs. Anderson's double dough roller easily rolls dough right in the pan for pie crust, cookies, and pasta that cooks evenly with tastier results. Made with wooden rollers, perfectly balanced for easy use and smooth, effortless rolling. Easily roll out dough right in the pan to a uniform thickness. Larger roller spreads dough out evenly, smaller roller smooths edges and sides. Ideal for home and professional bakers and pastry chefs. Roll dough for pie crusts, pasta, cookies, fondant, even crafting clay, and more. Larger roller, 4 inches wide, smaller roller, 2.5 inches wide, compact for easy storage. Easy to use and clean, wipe with a damp cloth. Top reviews from the United States. So easy to use even a 2-year-old can handle it. I got this kind of on a whim just to see if it worked. I make a lot of pizzas at home because it's a favorite of the family. I thought this would be a cute little tool that my daughter could also use, and I was right. Because of the large and small end, she was able to manipulate it around the dough. And that is a win for me. It made the entire process more enjoyable because she could use something small to roll out the dough and she was involved in the actual process. I like this a lot better than a rolling pin, and the fact that she could use it even better. Definitely recommend this to anyone who wants something smaller and easier to use than a rolling pin, and anyone who has kids that want to get them involved in the kitchen early.